Top 5 ways to get rid of cough. Coughing is one of the most common health problems. When there is a blockage or irritant in your throat or upper air passages, your brain thinks a foreign element is present and tells your body to cough to remove that element. Instead of using over-the-counter cough syrups, you can try some quick ways to get rid of cough. Number 1. Hot milk with honey. Hot milk with honey can relieve a dry cough and reduce chest pain you may be experiencing from continuous coughing. For best results, drink it before going to sleep. For added benefits from the analgesic properties of honey, swallow a teaspoon of plain honey on empty stomach. This will help clear the mucus and soothe your throat. Number 2. Kainan. Kainan helps reduce the chest pain due to continuous coughing. It is also warming and stimulating. Make a healthy cough syrup by mixing 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger and tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar and 2 tablespoons of water. Drink the syrup 2 to 3 times a day. Number 3. Carrot juice. Carrots have many vitamins and nutrients that can help relieve various symptoms of a cough. Make fresh juice from 4 to 5 carrots and add some water to dilute it. For taste and added benefits, add 1 teaspoon of honey. Drink the juice 3 to 4 times a day until your symptoms improve. Number 4. Grapes. Grapes have properties that act as an expressant, releasing the mucus from the affected parts to your respiratory system. The faster you get rid of the mucus, the faster your coughing will end. You can simply eat grapes or make some fresh grape juice. Grape juice with a spoonful of honey will be soothing as well as effective. Number 5. Almonds. Almonds have nutritional properties that play a proactive role in healing cough symptoms. Soak 5 to 6 almonds in water for 8 to 10 hours. Make a smooth paste out of the soaked almonds and add 1 teaspoon of butter. Eat it 3 to 4 times a day until your symptoms go away.
Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, do click on the like button, share this video on Facebook, Twitter and WhatsApp. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.